This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Courtney Sanford. Adorable one-level living in Clinton area. This home has open floor plan with cathedral ceiling in the living room. Master suite has tray ceiling with walk-in closet. Laundry room with pantry is just off the kitchen. Relax on the patio in your fenced backyard. Just a short drive to Waterside Marina and I-75. Buyer to verify all information. Call for your personal showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Courtney Sanford at 865-966-1111.